my dear student, how are you? I hope you are fine and you all are at home with your parents due to COVID-19. Dear student, today I am appearing before you to take a class, and it's especially for my dear student of class 5. You all are welcome to Chattogram Online School. My dear student, at very first I like to introduce myself. I am Rupa Mollik Rupu, Assistant Teacher, TNT Gate Government Primary School, Khagrachuli. So dear student, you are welcome again to my class. My dear student, at very first I like to show you some pictures. Let's see the picture. First picture. Dear student, what can you see in this picture? শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা কি দেখতে পাচ্ছ তোমরা? আমরা কিন্তু আগেও দেখেছিলাম ছবিটি। Yes, I think you can understand about the picture, and the picture is the Government Guru Dayal College, Kishorganj. Government Guru Dayal College, and it's in Kishorganj. Okay, now next picture. What can you see in this picture? Many people are in a Jamaat. Yes, you are right. It's Sholakia Eid Jamaat, the biggest Eid Jamaat at Sholakia, Kishorganj. Okay, now next picture. Dear student, what can you see in this picture? Do you guess? I think you can guess. It's Fort of Isha Khan. Fort of Isha Khan. My dear student, I have 3 pictures. Government Guru Dayal College, Fort of Isha Khan, the biggest Eid Jamaat at Sholakia, Kishorganj. So, what can you see in the pictures? ছবিতে তোমরা কি দেখতে পেলে? Can you imagine, dear student? I think you can imagine. And the picture is pictures of Kishorganj. Pictures of Kishorganj. My dear student, in my last session, I discussed with you about 2 parts of my home district. আমি কিন্তু আমার নিজ জেলা শহর মাই হোম ডিস্ট্রিক্ট এই অধ্যায়ের 2টি অংশ তোমাদের সাথে আলোচনা করেছি, এবং টুডে আই এম কামিং বিফোর ইউ টু ডিসকাস অ্যাবাউট দি লাস্ট পার্ট অফ দিস প্যাসেজ। এই অনুচ্ছেদের শেষের অংশটি নিয়ে তোমাদের সাথে আজ আলোচনা করব। সো আওয়ার টুডেজ লেসন ইজ মাই হোম ডিস্ট্রিক্ট এন্ড ইটস লাস্ট পার্ট। ওকে ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট, লেট us start. Everybody open your book, page number 39, unit 10, lesson 3 to 5, and our lesson part is Kishorganj is to home district. Okay, at very first I like to discuss with you about some new word from this topic, and I like to discuss about the English meaning of the word. Let us start. My dear student, I have 5 words. First word is literature. What's it? Literature. And do you guess the English meaning of literature? Jano, literature mane ki? Okay, match with me. Literature, English meaning is poetry. Literature, poetry. Okay, next, children. I think you know the the meanings of children. And children means kids. Dear student, kids, and you are kids. Okay. Next word. It's famous. What's it? Yes, it's famous. The English meaning of famous is oil known. Oil known, famous, or famous, oil known. Okay. Next word. It's painter. What's it, dear student? It's painter. And the English meanings of painter is artist. Artist. Painter, artist. Okay. Now next word. President. It's president. Do you know what is the English meaning of president? Okay, match with me. Head of state. Head of state. Dear student, can you understand the word with their English meaning? I think you can understand the word meanings. Now, I like to discuss about the Bengali meaning of these new words. Okay? First one is literature. Dear student, do you know the Bengali meaning of literature? Okay? Literature and its Bengali meanings is Sahitya. It's Sahitya. Next word. It's children. Children. It's so easy, isn't it? Yes. Children means Shishu. As like as you, dear student. Children, Shishu. Then next word. It's famous. Famous. And the Bengali meanings of famous is Bikhato. Famous, Bikhato. Next word. It's painter, dear student. Painter. And the Bengali meanings of painter is Chitrashilpi. Chitrashilpi. And last word is president. What's it, dear student? Yes, president. And the Bengali meanings of president is Rashtrapati. Rashtrapati. My dear student, I think you can understand the words with their Bengali meanings. Okay? Now it's time to discuss about the topics. Everybody, please listen to the text attentively. Kishoreganj is also the home district of some famous people. Kishoreganj is also the home district of some famous people. Chandravati, the first woman poet of Bangla literature, was born here. At very first, we have learned about Chandravati, Shiva temple, isn't it? Okay. Chandravati, the first woman poet of Bangla literature, was born here. Two writers of children's literature, Upendra Kishore Roy Chaudhuri and Sukumar Roy, are also from here. Dear student, two writers of children literature, Upendra Kishore Roy Chaudhuri. It's the picture of writer Upendra Kishore Roy Chaudhuri, and it's picture of Sukumar Roy. He is also a writer, and they write the children's literatures. So dear student, what can we realize or understand from these topics? We can understand that there are some famous people in Kishoreganj district. Chandravati is the first woman poet of Bangla literature. who born here, then we can learn that two writers, Upendra Kishore Roy Choudhury and Sukumar Roy, was born here, and they are the writers of children literature. Okay, now next topics. The great painter Jainul Abidin comes from Kishoreganj too. Dear student, this is the picture of Jainul Abidin, the great painter of our country. He also born in Kishoreganj district. I have a picture of Jainul Abidin. This picture is painted by Jainul Abidin. So the great painter Jainul Abidin comes from Kishoreganj too. Next, Sayyid Nazrul Islam, the first acting president of Bangladesh, is also from here. I love my home district. Who tells this? Mamun. Mamun tells that I love my home district. Dear student, this is Sayyid Nazrul Islam, the first acting president of our country. He also from this district. Dear student, our present president Mr. Abdul Hamid is also from Kishoreganj district. So what can we learn from this topic? We can learn about the first acting president of our country was Sayyid Nazrul Islam, and he is born here. So Mamun is feeling very happy, and he tells that I love my home district. My dear student, can you learn the topics? I think you can understand the topics. Now it's time to discuss about the gist of the passage in Bengali. Okay. My dear student, at very first, when I tell you about our topics, I have told that it is the last part of our passage. আমি বলেছি যে আমাদের মাই হোম ডিস্ট্রিক্ট প্যাসেজের এটি কিন্তু শেষ অংশ, আর এটি শেষ হলেই কিন্তু আমরা পুরো পাঠ ভালোভাবে বুঝতে পারবো। শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, এই অংশে রয়েছে যে কিশোরগঞ্জ জেলা শহরটি শুধুমাত্র বিভিন্ন দর্শনীয় স্থানের জন্যই বিখ্যাত নয়, এটি এই জেলার বিখ্যাত কয়েকজন ব্যক্তিত্বের জন্যও কিন্তু বিখ্যাত। আমরা এর আগের পাঠে পড়েছিলাম চন্দ্রাবতী, কবি চন্দ্রাবতীর নামে একটি শিব মন্দিরের কথা। চন্দ্রাবতী প্রথম মহিলা কবি যিনি কিশোরগঞ্জে জন্মগ্রহণ করেছেন। এরপর আমরা জেনেছি দুজন শিশু সাহিত্যিকের কথা। একজন হলেন উপেন্দ্র কিশোর রয় চৌধুরী এবং আরেকজন হলেন সুকুমার রয়। তারা কিন্তু শিশু সাহিত্য লিখতেন। তারাও এই ডিস্ট্রিক্টে অর্থাৎ কিশোরগঞ্জে জন্মগ্রহণ করেছেন। এছাড়া আমরা জেনেছি আমাদের দেশের প্রথম অ্যাক্টিং অস্থায়ী রাষ্ট্রপতি সৈয়দ নজরুল ইসলাম, তিনিও এই জেলায় জন্মগ্রহণ করেছেন। আমরা জেনেছি বিখ্যাত চিত্রশিল্পী জয়নুল আবেদিন, তিনিও কিশোরগঞ্জ জেলায় জন্মগ্রহণ করেছেন। আর এই নিয়ে খুব গর্ববোধ করে মামুন যে এই গল্পটি লিখেছে। আমি আরেকটি জিনিস অ্যাড করেছি, হলো আমাদের বর্তমান রাষ্ট্রপতি জনাব আব্দুল হামিদও কিন্তু কিশোরগঞ্জেরই একজন বিখ্যাত ব্যক্তিত্ব। ওকে, I think you can understand the gist of the passage clearly. Now I like to discuss with you about some question from this passage, and you have to try to answer me. Okay, first question: where was Jainul Abidin born? So easy question, dear student. So do you guess the answer? I think you can guess the answer, and the answer is Kishoreganj district. Jainul Abidin was born in Kishoreganj district. for you. Who was Syed Nazrul Islam? Who was Syed Nazrul Islam? Can you imagine the answer? Yes, I think you can imagine. And the answer is first acting president of Bangladesh. Syed Nazrul Islam was the first acting president of Bangladesh. Next question and the last question. Who was a famous painter? Who was a famous painter? Dear student, do you guess the answer? I think you can guess. And the name of the famous painter is Zainul Abidin. Zainul Abidin is the famous painter of Kishoreganj of our country. Dear student, what can you understand from this answer and questions or question and answers? You can understand the topics again. Okay? Now it's time to discuss about matching, dear student. Match column A with column B. It's very important for your examination. I have two columns for you. These are its column A and its column B. I have 5 words and you have to match this word with column B's sentences. Okay? First word is literature. Dear student, I have 6 sentences in column B. Please try to match it with column A. Which sentence is matched with literature? Younger people, person who lead a state, who art anything, story of something, oldest people, something special or great. Can you imagine? What will be the answer? Which sentence is matched with literature? Okay, I think you can imagine. Match with me. Literature means history of something. Literature, history of something. Okay, I think it's matched with you. Then next word, children. Here is children. And which sentence is matched with children? Everybody look after this. Here is 5 sentences and the matching sentence. Can you imagine the answer? Okay, match with me. Younger people. Children, younger people. Easy. Then next word, it's famous. Famous, and we have 4 sentences. Person who lead a state, who art anything, oldest people, something special or great. What will be the matching sentence with famous? Do you guess it? I think you can guess. Now match with me. The answer is famous, something special or great. Dear student, I think you can match it with me. Now next word, painter. It's painter. And what will be the matching sentence, dear student? Person who lead a state, who art anything, or oldest people. What will be the answer? I think you can guess. And the answer is who art anything. Who art anything. Okay. Last word. It's president. What's it? Yes, president. And at last we have 2 sentences. First one is person who lead a state and next one is oldest people. Dear student, which sentence is matched with president? Can you imagine? Yes, the sentence that match with president is person who lead a state. Person who lead a state. Dear student, can you understand the matching? I think you can understand, and try to read out it at your home because it's very important. And number one question, number one or two question in your examination. Okay? Now I have filled in the blanks for you, and you should try to fill up the blanks with this word or options. My dear student, I have almost 5 words here, and you should try to you have to try to fill up these 4 blanks with 5 options. I have only 4 fill in the blanks. My dear student, now let us start. First one, the great dash Zainul Abidin. The great dash Zainul Abidin. Which word will be the answer on this blank? Do you guess? Okay, here is President, Chandrabhuti, painter, writer and flaws. And I think you can guess the answer. The answer is painter. The great painter Zainul Abidin. Okay. Now next, Syed Nazrul Islam, the first acting dash of Bangladesh. My dear student, we have 4 options. Which word will be the answer for this blank? Syed Nazrul Islam, the first acting. What will be the answer? President, Chandrabhuti, writer or false? Flaws. I think you can answer me. And the answer is President. Syed Nazrul Islam, the first acting president of Bangladesh. Okay? So important question. Now, number 3. Dash is the first woman poet. Who is the first woman poet? Dear student, can you guess? I think you can guess. In this option there is Chandrabhuti, writer and flaws. So our answer is Chandrabhuti is the first woman poet. First woman poet, and her name Chandrabhuti. Now last number, Sukumar Roy is a dash. Sukumar Roy is a dash. What will be the answer? Is it writer or flaws? Yes, you are right. The answer is writer. Sukumar Roy is a writer of children literature. My dear student, what can you learn from fill in the blanks? You can learn some important topics, some important lines or sentence of this topic. My dear student, now it's time to discuss about one day, one word. And it's a very important part of our everyday learning. My dear student, today I have discussed about 5 sentences. From those words, I select a word for you, one day, one word. And the word is famous. What's it? Yes, famous. Now, you have to spell it with me. Okay, start. F-A, fair. F-A, that is fair. M-O-U-S, much. M-O-U-S, much. So it's famous. Famous. And can you imagine the, do you guess the Bengali meaning of famous? I have already discussed with you. Yes. It's বিখ্যাত, famous, বিখ্যাত. Dear student, can you make any sentence with this word? I think you can make sentence. I have already made a sentence for you, and the sentence is Jainul Abidin is a famous person. Jainul Abidin is a famous person. শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, কেন জয়নুল আবেদিন ফেমাস পারসন মনে আছে তোমাদের? Yes, he was a great painter of our country. আমাদের দেশের একজন চিত্রশিল্পী, তাকে কিন্তু শিল্পাচার্য বলা হয়, শিল্পাচার্য জয়নুল আবেদিন. You can write this with sentence with this word in different way. Okay? No, it's very important, so that I write it for you. Now it's time to give you a home task. My dear student, today I have discussed with you about the famous person of Kishoreganj district. Now my home task is write 5 sentences about some famous person in your district. শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, তোমার জেলাতে নিশ্চয়ই কয়েকজন বিখ্যাত ব্যক্তি থাকতে পারে এবং আছে। আমাদের দেশের প্রতিটি জেলাতেই কিন্তু বিখ্যাত ব্যক্তিত্ব রয়েছে। ঠিক তেমনি তোমার জেলায় যদি কোনো বিখ্যাত ব্যক্তি থাকে, তার সম্পর্কে 5টি বাক্য বা তাদের সম্পর্কে 5টি বাক্য লিখবে। বুঝতে পেরেছো শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা? ওকে, নাও আই এম গোইং টু ডিসকাস উইথ ইউ অ্যাবাউট দি passage. Summarize. I like to summarize the passage. Okay? Or our session. What we learn from today's session. At very first, I show you 3 pictures, and these 3 pictures is matched with my home district passage. At very first of this passage, we learn about the location of Kishoreganj. How far it from Dhaka. Then we learn how many jela, upajela, union, villages in this district. In our next, we also learn it that how the name of Kishoreganj comes from. In my next class or last class, I discussed about some beautiful places of Kishoreganj. We have learned about the Pagla Mosque. We have learned about Government Guru Dayal College, the biggest Eid Jamaat, then the fort of Isha Khan. We have learned about the Shiva temple of Chandravati near Fuleshwari river. And in my last session today, I discussed about some famous people of Kishoreganj. We have learned about Chandravati, first woman poet of Bangla who born here. Then I discussed about Upendra Kishore Choudhury. I also discussed about Sukumar Roy. They are the children literatures writer. My dear student, I also discussed with you about the first acting president of our country, Syed Nazrul Islam, and the great painter Jainul Abidin. I think from these topics you can understand the about home district Kishoreganj very much. I also discuss about some question, answer, column A B, and at last I discuss about fill in the blank. Our today's one day one word was famous, and I give you a home task to write about 5 sentences about famous person of your country, of your district. Dear student, you have to try to write this home task and read out the passage again, so that you can complete this passage perfectly, because it's very important passage for your examination, dear student. Okay, I will appearing before you with another topic next Sunday. Till then, everybody stay with Chattogram Online School, and Allah Hafiz, my dear student. Thank you.